Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming the kit matches your trailer electrical system and connector standards. This avoids mismatched voltages or pinouts. Once confirmed, install fresh batteries in both transmitter and receiver, and check LEDs for steady power. Next, mount the receiver adjacent to the trailer's wiring harness, within the range specified, and orient the antenna away from metal brackets so the signal path remains clear. Now you're ready to access the trailer lamp wires for the next steps. You'll identify the trailer's left, right, brake, and ground wires using a circuit tester, because correct mapping prevents cross-wiring and blown bulbs. Once identified, splice the receiver outputs to each lamp wire using heat-shrink butt connectors or marine-grade waterproof connectors. Make sure ground is solid and free of corrosion. Then follow the kit's pairing routine, usually press bare on receiver then transmitter. And test turn signals and brake lights one at a time You finish by securing the receiver and wiring with zip ties, routing lines away from moving parts. This prevents chafing and intermittent faults. Once fastened, seal every splice with heat shrink, add dielectric grease to contacts, and enclose connections in split tubing for moisture protection. After that, perform a slow road test with a helper operating signals. If something fails, first recheck the ground connection, battery level, and LED status. Then verify transmitter range. Most issues trace to poor ground or weak power.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.